So, Dr. Melson, you teach about the IM and aspect systems. So what are the IM systems and the aspect systems? Could you just explain a little bit more about those?
Okay, gladly. Actually, IAM is an acronym on one hand, and it is also the essence of all of our being. So the acronym of IAM stands for three different subsystems, so to speak. One of which is Integral Awareness Medica, which is a system that is taught to healing professionals, whether they be allopathic physicians, Western trained doctors, Eastern trained practitioners, shamanic practitioners, massage therapists, acupuncturists, naturopaths, homeopaths, chiropractors, body workers of any sort, whatever are these practitioners of the healing arts and the healing systems. That is what we call Integral Awareness Medica. The other is what I call Integral Awareness Mastery, and that particular system is actually open to teach anyone, for anyone to learn, because it actually is about a certain kind of blueprint and a way to organize one's own life. And it is a process through which one can achieve acceleration in what we call the evolution of consciousness, or what we can call the awakening to our true self. Just finding out who we really are, and how to live in that truth, and be what sometimes people call authentic, and not authentic limited to some set of rules or guidelines that a person has to live by in accordance with their religious teachings or their cultural values or their political philosophies. We're talking about an authenticity that has to do with the highest and the deepest levels of our awareness and our sense of meaning and our sense of purpose and our sense as beings alive in this universe. That's what the I Am at the Integral Awareness Mastery is about. Later on, I will speak much more at length in terms of the details of each of these systems somewhat separately. Yet to understand that Integral Awareness Mastery is truly what we all can be about in our journeys of life. The relationship of Integral Awareness Medica and Integral Awareness Mastery then is that the practitioner, the Integral Awareness Medica practitioner, has the responsibility to help facilitate in their patient or their client that responsibility of helping facilitate Integral Awareness Mastery within that person. That, in other words, the process of healing requires a shift in their awareness, in their consciousness, and it requires them to grow and to open and to flower into a state of this kind of mastery, this mastery of wholeness, of thinking and of being. And therefore a practitioner, as an Integral Awareness Medica practitioner, assists this person in attaining a commitment on this path of Integral Awareness Mastery. The third such system is what we call the Intention Awareness Matrix. That is the third of the I Am systems. The Intention Awareness Matrix relates to that what is for us an energetic field. I use the term sometimes that we are CCEs. A CCE being a convenient consciousness envelope. We are envelopes of consciousness, and therefore the sense of who I am is really a matter of what is that level of the envelope that we're identifying with and identifying as ourselves. That envelope actually extends on the lowest level to what we might call our skin, our physical self, our physical being. At the highest level, or the farthest reaching level, that envelope extends to the entire universe. It extends to the cosmos itself. And therefore, awareness is about that shift in that envelope, so to speak. So the intention awareness matrix is identifying that envelope. What are the energies, what are the energetic processes that take place within this convenient envelope that we call ourselves? What are the energetic processes that take place within this extended matrix that we call our first tier or first level of our energy bodies? What is the intention that we hold, and how that intention that we hold actually is expressed and experienced as energy that moves, and consciousness that moves, and intelligence that resides and flows within this particular envelope of consciousness. So that the intention awareness matrix itself is about that understanding of ourselves as a field, a matrix field of energy and of intelligence and of spirit and of physicality and of emotions and of mental dynamics and of relations with one another. And so we go much more into the processes of that experience of energy, of ourselves as a localized being, ourselves as a progressively expanding being, and ultimately ourselves as the experience of oneness with one another, the experience of oneness with all. That is the nutshell, so to speak, of what the I am systems are, the three. Again, integral awareness, Medica, integral awareness, mastery, intention awareness, matrix. The fourth system, which we call the aspect system. Aspect is another acronym, and it stands for Awareness Systems Providing Energetic Core Transformation. Now, awareness systems providing energetic core transformation is, it's really a collection of a number of different types of processes that are out there of spirit, mind, body integration, we may say. It is how we access that field of so many different practices. Things such as hypnotherapy, timeline therapy, EMDR, neurolinguistic programming, neuroassociative conditioning, energetic psychology, energy psychology, EFT, emotional freedom and emotional release techniques. There are many such dynamic and very powerful processes that may have originated from a particular discipline or with a particular intended application. And it's really the understanding to gain a facility with many of these different techniques and how they can all be blended together. How in the course of a process of engagement with our clients or our patients or our customers or our partners, our mates, our family members, our community, how having a fluidity and a facility, a deeper understanding and a natural kind of flow, ability to utilize aspects of these different systems is part of the larger aspect. When we talk about that, we're not talking about a structured, rigid practice of just, close your eyes, do this, or understand that this is what is necessary in order to achieve something that's desired. It's really a fluid kind of process that we can go in and out of the use of these types of techniques and experience something else, which is an integral envelope into which all of these different techniques can be brought together to achieve a greater type of awareness and a greater movement of that person's consciousness, a greater movement of them as an energetic being towards a greater awareness, towards an awakening, towards a self-realization, towards a healing as necessary.